Hello and welcome to Ben Talks Money. In today's video, we will take a look at AMD and we will analyze the daily chart to see where this stock is heading. This stock has been trending down a little bit, so we want to take a look at the chart to see where we can get in for a possible long or short position. So let's get started. So let's take a look at the daily chart for AMD. And if you look at the daily chart, you can see that AMD has been going up since May. You can see right from here, the bottom around April there, and since then it's just been tearing up all the way from the lows of $85 all the way to 180. So it came all the way up here to 180, and you can see that it hits a resistance here around 186, and that resistance date goes all the way. This is the resistance here that it hit. It's the same resistance here, and it's a little bit here all the way 2024, and it couldn't break that. So the stock has been trending down, and it's right now it's below the 50-day SMA. And usually when the stock goes below the 50-day SMA, it trends down a little bit more. And if we take a closer look here on the chart, we can see that it's starting to form a downward channel. See here, it's forming a downward channel here. You can see right here that the channel is forming on the daily chart. So this downward channel has been happening since it hit the peak of the recent rally, and every time the stock gets to the peak of the channel, it drops back down, and then it hits the bottom of the channel and it bounces back. So it's been trading within this zone, and Wednesday it tried to break out of the channel. You can see that it went all the way up here to 163, and it couldn't hold. It went to 163. Today we opened a little bit above just above the channel. We opened just above the channel today, and it dripped lower back into the channel. So it's currently sitting here at 156, 155 zone. So that is also a little bit of a support zone. You can see from here, this stock formed a strong hammer. You can see this hammer here at this support zone 155. It formed a strong hammer, and then it pushed all the way up to 180, 186. So it's at the same level again, 150, 155 level again, and it's trying to hold, but the Thursday close is not, it's a bearish candle. It's a bearish candle, and it doesn't look like this thing is going to hold. So the plan for AMD is that if this stock continues to trend around this zone, because right here now you can see the bottom of the zone is around. So if it's coming down here, it'll come here. It's around 144. So to me, AMD will be a short. If it breaks below 155, AMD is a short below 155. And after that, we might have to take a look at it on 144 level. So if it breaks 155, it's a short. 150 might be a little bit of a support zone, because usually for stocks like this, round numbers like 150 tends to be a psychological support. So if AMD breaks below 155, it's a short. We cover some around 150. If it breaks below 150, the next level will be around 144. You can see here that same 144 level is also a huge support here. Okay, so that's the plan for AMD. But on the other hand, if it breaks above the downward descending channel, right, then it's a long. Then we go long on AMD. So that's the plan of AMD. Below 155 is a short. Cover some around, or just look at how the price action is going around 150. If it breaks below 150, the next level will be around 147 to 144. And after that, if it breaks below this channel, this stock will really be very bearish. Probably be going around 140. If it breaks below if it breaks below 144, you know, the next level, the next support will be around 142, and then a little bit of a support here around 134. Yeah, so if you look at it, this among all the stocks, the tech stocks that are in this sector, Micron is very strong. Nvidia is not that strong, but it's not as weak as AMD is right now. Broadcom is very strong. So AMD is the weakest among those semiconductor stocks, you know. So that's the plan for AMD. Below 155 short, it breaks below 150, continuation of the short. If it breaks above the zone, which is about 160, above $160, we can go for a long day. So let me know in the comment section what's your play for AMD, and if there's any stock that you want me to take a look at. The chat, leave in the comment section below. And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel, share, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. And until next time, let's keep talking money.